In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Xero. Connecting Stripe to Xero lets your customers pay invoices online with a card, and it also helps automate a lot of your payment reconciliation. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're in, look towards the top left of the screen where you can see your profile name. Click on your profile name. This opens a small drop-down menu that gives you access to your account options and settings. From that drop-down, click on Settings. This will take you to Xero's main settings area, where you can manage things like your organization details, invoice preferences, and, in our case, online payment services. On the settings page, look for the option called Online Payments and click on it. This is where you control which payment services are available for your online invoices. If you haven't connected any services yet, this page may look fairly empty, but that's completely fine. Next, on the Online Payments page, find the section that allows you to add new payment services. Click on Add Other. This option is used when you want to connect a provider that isn't already pre-configured for you under other headings. You'll now see a list of available payment services that can be linked to Xero. From this list, click on Stripe. Selecting Stripe will open a setup screen that begins the connection process between your Xero organization and your Stripe account. On the Stripe setup page in Xero, you will be asked to fill in some details. Typically, this includes things like which bank account in Xero you want Stripe payouts to go to, and possibly your preferences for the payment method, such as the types of cards you accept. Take your time here and make sure the information matches how you actually use Stripe in your business. It's a good idea to double check the bank account you select, because that's where Stripe payments will be recorded in Xero. Once you've reviewed and completed all the required fields, go ahead and click on Connect to Stripe. Xero will then either open a Stripe login page, or if you're already signed into Stripe in your browser, it may just ask you to confirm access. Follow the prompts on screen